So, hello, friends, champions. This is the first lesson of the Source of History 8 Standard Question Answers. So, this is the point to remember. You can include this point to remember part in your notes to make your notes effective and more strong. दिया गया डॉक्टर बाबा आम्बेडकर started a fortnight newspaper called Muknaik. This can become as for the filling the blanks or objective questions or name the following. So once you have to see and go to the exam. Next is choose the correct alternatives. First is among the historical source are based on the modern technology. So there are the four options are given A, B, C, D. So you have to choose the correct option. These are the answers of that question. First three are the textual question answer. Next is incorrect. Identify the incorrect pair and write the wrong ones. So these are the pairs are given. These pairs are given to you. Newspapers and periodical material source, inspirational song, oral source, photography, visual source. So these are the such pairs are given. So from these pairs, which is the incorrect pair you have to identify. Then you have to write an answer. Wrong pair, newspapers and periodicals, material source. फिर you have to write the correct pair, newspapers and periodical written source. Okay, like this, the second example is given. Wrong pair is interviews and narration, material source, and correct pair is interviews and narration, oral source. Next is do as directed. So this is the types of sources are given: material source, written source, oral source. This can be and they are given the example. The question might come in the exam. Give two examples of the material source or give two examples or three examples of oral source. So prepare and go and include it into your notes. Afterwards, complete the following flowcharts. These are the flowchart. This is a textual question, material source. Material source, so various objects, statues, monuments, places, coins, sculptures, ये सारा है. और एक flowchart है oral source and written source का. These are tools. These three of them are from the textual exercise. Folks, songs, biographies, books, periodicals, factory records. This all the textual questions. Afterwards, next is write the short notes on photography. Take a screenshot because this is a textual question. Wherever the star mark is there, it is a textual question, and wherever that star mark is not there, this is the extra question. So from that you have to choose and you have to write and include in your notes. Sorry. Next, museums and history. 2 points are there. So next is oral source. There are the 3 points. फटाफट से स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो. फिर इस तरफ आपको न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड periodicals दिए गए. Buildings and palaces. Explain the following statement with a reason. This is a textual question. इधर थर्ड पॉइंट में थ्रू द मीडियम ऑफ बहिष्कृत भारत. That due to that black color symbol you're not seeing, it's a Bahishkrut Bharat, BAHISHKRUT, Bahishkrut Bharat. This is audio-visual recordings are considered as the most trustworthy source for the study of the modern Indian history. Textual question है. Quit India movement and other such incident. Okay. Next is, this is the second point of that audio-visual source. The rich traditions of the history and can be handed over to the next generation through the audio-visual recordings. Next is statues are important for the study of modern Indian history. So there are the 2 points. Maps is considered to be an important source. Afterwards, during the period of the freedom movement, various inspirational songs was composed. So that inspirational songs you have to write. Inspirational songs give us information about the condition during the pre-independence period, and the second point you have to include it. Next is, read the given passage and answer the following question. So this type of questions will come in your semester exams. First, either in first semester or in second semester, this type of read the passage and answer the question will become. So prepare this. Here, first question is, whose statues were erected during the pre-independence and the post-independence period? So this is the answer. आंसर लिखा हुआ है, फटाफट से स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो या वीडियो पॉज करके आप नोट कर लो. Next is, statues provide informations about the complete the sentence. So इधर आपको सेंटेंस है, स्टैचू प्रोवाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट, फिर कॉन्टेम्पररी से लेके पर्सनैलिटीज तक आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इन्फॉर्मेशन डू वी गेट फ्रॉम द डिस्प्ले प्लैक्यू ऑन द स्टैचूज. बाद में, मेमोरीज आर इरेक्टेड इन द memory of the which event. Memorials are elected in the memory of which event. So वो इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए कंसर्न इवेंट्स के बारे में इरेक्ट किया गया था मेमोरियल्स. बाद में इधर सेकंड है, पैराग्राफ दिया गया है फिल्म से लेके रियलिटी तक. तो इस पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ये देखो, स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो या वीडियो पॉज करके नोट कर लो. ठीक है, सो अभी हम नेक्स्ट पेज पे जाते हैं. अभी ये असाइनमेंट्स है. असाइनमेंट्स मीन्स अभी आपको जो भी आपने स्टडी की है लेसन के बारे में, इंडिविजुअल लेसन के बारे में, उस पर आपको एक पेपर मिलेगा. हर वीडियो में मैं एक पेपर दूंगा, फिर आपको उसको सॉल्व करना है और आपकी पढ़ाई की फ्रीक्वेंसी देखनी है कि भाई आपकी पढ़ाई किधर तक हुई है, कौन से क्वेश्चंस मिसिंग है. ये पेपर सॉल्व करके आपको पता चलेगा. इसका टाइम होगा 1 आवर एंड मार्क्स हो गए 20. सो आपके पूरे डेली रूटीन में से एक 1 आवर निकल के आप 20 मार्क का पेपर सॉल्व कर लो. ये देखो, आइडेंटिफाई द इनकरेक्ट पेयर एंड राइट द करेक्ट वंस. ये आपके लिए न्यू क्वेश्चन होगा, बट प्रिपेयर दिस क्वेश्चन. इसका फॉर्मेट कैसा है आपको पता होगा, मैं बताता हूँ फिर से बताता हूँ. मैंने अभी दिखाया था. ये देखो, इसी फॉर्मेट को आपको फॉलो करना है. रॉन्ग पेयर एंड करेक्ट पेयर. पहले आपको रॉन्ग पेयर लिखनी है, फिर आपको करेक्ट पेयर लिखनी है. ठीक है, ये मेथड को ही फॉलो करना है. फिर बाद में फ्लो चार्ट दिया गया है. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग फ्लो चार्ट. सॉल्व करो. टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन है. एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट विथ रीजंस. Write short note on the museums and histories, newspaper and periodicals. If you like this video, this video is helpful for you, please like the video, share, comment and subscribe the channel for the notifications. So we will bring the such type of videos and question answers of master key, so your question answers and paste will be clear. Also we will provide the notes. We are provide the notes for your betterment, and the assignments are also provided by us, so it will also helpful. Thank you.